Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open Rajhi Business account. So the first step that you have to do is to launch the Rajhi mobile bank application and then log in with your credentials. And from the main menu, just navigate to the business banking section. And this section is specially designed for entrepreneurs and business owners who want to manage their business finances. Next is tap on the Open Business Account and choose your business type from the available options. So there are sole proprietorship, limited liability company, which is LLC, or partnership. So what you're going to do is just select the type that matches your commercial registration to proceed. Next up is the application will display a checklist of required documents including your commercial registration, national ID, VAT certificate, and authorized signatory documents. So just ensure that you have all the documents ready before continuing to avoid delays in the account opening process. Next up is Rajhi Bank will send an OTP to your registered mobile number for security verification. So just enter the 6-digit code in the provided fields within the countdown timer period. So just tap to verify, tap on the verify to authenticate, and submit your business account application. Lastly is congratulations, your Rajhi business account has been successfully opened. So your new account number and IBAN will be displayed on this success screen, and you can also start receiving payments, managing payroll, and accessing business banking services. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!